This video will show you how to remove the stock rear bumper on all 2010 through 2018 Ram 2500s.
All right, we're going to start underneath. We have our two 15mm bolts on either side here and here that we're going to take off. And we also have our wiring, which we're going to disconnect. So we're going to start by disconnecting our wiring for our backup sensors. So there is a release tab right here. Just push that down, pull that out. And for the tag light, there is a red locking tab. Just going to release that. Same thing, push on the tab and pull back. All right, then we're going to grab our impact and 15mm socket, take these two bolts out. All right, you just take the other two bolts out on the other side and also disconnect the other tag light on the other side. All right, we just have one more connector, and that's for our trailer hitch connection. So same thing, just push down the tab here and pull off. All right, now what you want to do is you're going to want to take your license plate off now with whatever hardware is holding it on, so we can access our two 15mm nuts here, and then we'll be able to remove our bumper. So we're going to grab our impact 15mm socket, take these two nuts off. All right, now on the other side, you'll see these two locating plates here. What we're gonna need to do is take them off. So we're gonna grab our impact and 10mm socket and remove our two bolts. All right, now you can do the same thing for the other plate.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.